May 21st, 2024. The Storm Prediction Center issues a moderate risk with a 15% hatch tornado risk across much of Iowa. At around 2 p.m., supercells begin to fire along the Iowa-Nebraska border. I started the chase in Stanton, Iowa, and proceeded to drive northeast to get well ahead of the broken line of supercells. Storm motions were forecasted to be in excess of 55 miles an hour, and this was a major consideration in my mind. I got settled in north of Carbon, Iowa, and decided to put my drone in the air to get a better view. 2:30 p.m. rolls around and there's a tornado ongoing near Red Oak, Iowa, close to where I started my chase. Around 2:45 p.m. I reposition a little bit further south to get a better view of the incoming supercell. Although not visible from my vantage point, a tornado is ongoing south of Stanton, Iowa. Shortly after I get my drone up, a tornado emerges from the rain. After a few minutes, I get my drone out of the air. With safety and storm motion in mind, I decide to reposition. Did you catch this other supercell in the background? I sure didn't at the time. I reposition up the road to a spot that gave me multiple escape routes. I watch in awe as the tornado creeps closer. The tornado becomes rain-wrapped and I decide to put a little bit of distance between myself and the tornado.
Just to be safe.
Did you catch that lowering behind the trees in the last clip? As I drive south, I quickly realize there is another strong tornado to my east. This tornado will eventually do EF4 damage in Greenfield, Iowa. The rain wrapping around the tornado begins to obscure my view. I flip the car back around and head north. To my amazement, the first tornado emerges out of the rain and becomes photogenic. After the tornado ropes out, I continue on the eastbound road and notice the second tornado coming back into view. I continue driving east and notice thick, black smoke near our home. You can also see the outline of the tornado in the distance. I check out some other damage south of the second tornado's path. At one point, there were 3 tornadoes on the ground at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video. The lesson of the day is to always be aware of your surroundings. Even if you are focused on a tornado in front of you, there may be another one lurking close by.